So in this video we are going to discuss about the methods of separation. Okay, so now there can be many types of mixture. You can talk about a mixture of salt and water, a mixture of sugar and water, a mixture of rice grains and pebbles, and so many mixture you can think. So now different mixture consist different types of components, and there are different methods to separating of different types of mixture based on the properties of the components. So now some of the common methods of separation which we learn here. Okay, so here I am going to discuss the first method of separation, which is hand picking. So hand picking, the name itself define means picking of things with a hand. So removing substance from a mixture from hand, known as hand picking. So you have noticed that your mother prepare food, and when she prepare rice, firstly she take the uncooked rice in a plate and remove something from that, right? That something are the unwanted substance which should be separated or removed. These are undesirable substance, and such a pieces of stone in rice or maybe dal can be separated by hand picking. So the advantage of hand picking method is it is effectively remove big particles. But here is a disadvantage also. It is time consuming and not very convenient for to tiny particles. Second methods of separation is threshing. Threshing means the process of separating grains from the stalks is called threshing. So have you ever visited a wheat or paddy field after the crop has been harvested? So harvested means cutting the crops from the field. So you have seen the grains are attached to their stalks with which are put together in bundles. And how the grains are separated from the stalks in bundles? Obviously by beating the stalk with stick on the ground and by allowing animals. And nowadays machines are used. So machines are generally used in large scale. So this process is known as threshing. Okay, threshing means separating grains from the stalk. And the third one method is winnowing. Winnowing is a method used to separate lighter components of a mixture from the heavier ones by wind. So it is used by farmer to separate husks from the grains. Husk particles are lighter than grains, so they are carried away by wind. Method is filtration, and filtration is a process by which two substances are separated by passing the mixture through a filtering device is called filtration. And filtration is commonly used in our home. For example, after preparing tea, we filter out the tea leaves using a strainer. Okay, and water may also contain solid impurities which can be removed by filtration. So this is also an important method of separation.